Hey, y'all. Welcome back to Ask Keisha AI, where I break down all the ways you can use tech to level up your life and career. Today, we're talking about non technical AI jobs. Yes, jobs in the AI industry that don't require coding, engineering, or advanced degrees in computer science. AI is shaping the future of work, and the opportunities are endless. Whether you're a strategist, a creative, or a big picture thinker, there's a role for you in this booming industry. In this video, I'll walk you through 5 impactful non technical AI jobs, what they involve, and how you can get started. The time to pivot is now, so let's jump in. First up is the AI product manager. Think of this role as the quarterback of AI product development. You don't need to code, but you do need to understand the bigger picture and how AI fits into business goals. What you'll do. Conduct market research to figure out what customers and businesses need from AI products. Translate these needs into clear product requirements for the technical teams. Manage the entire product lifecycle, from brainstorming and prototyping to launching and scaling the product. Work with teams to ensure AI products comply with regulations and ethical standards. Why it's important. AI product managers are crucial because they bridge the gap between business goals and technical development. Without them, AI tools wouldn't be as effective or user-friendly. Next up is the AI ethicist, a role that focuses on the human side of AI. This job is about ensuring that AI systems are fair, ethical, and aligned with societal values. What you'll do, assess the social and ethical implications of AI tools, including issues like bias, privacy, and inclusivity. Ensure compliance with AI regulations and company policies. Guide technical teams to make sure AI systems are designed responsibly. Develop ethical guidelines that help companies deploy AI tools in ways that benefit everyone. Why it's important. As AI becomes more powerful, the need for ethical oversight grows. AI ethicists help prevent harmful outcomes like biased algorithms or data misuse. If you love organization and efficiency, the AI project manager role is for you. This job is all about keeping AI projects on track and making sure teams deliver on time and within budget. What you'll do, define project goals and timelines, ensuring they align with company objectives. Coordinate between technical teams, business stakeholders, and external partners. Track milestones and identify potential bottlenecks before they become issues. Use project management tools like Asana or Monday.com to keep everything running smoothly. Why it's important. AI projects often involve multiple teams and moving parts. Project managers ensure these efforts are streamlined so the final product meets business needs. Calling all writers and creatives. The AI writer editor role leverages your storytelling skills alongside AI tools to create engaging content for businesses. What you'll do, use AI tools like ChatGPT to generate blog posts, articles, and social media content. Refine AI-generated content, ensuring it's high quality and aligned with the brand voice. Write prompts that guide AI systems to produce accurate and relevant content. Collaborate with marketing teams to craft content strategies that drive traffic and engagement. Why it's important. As AI tools improve, businesses need skilled writers who can combine creativity with technology to produce compelling, impactful content. Finally, we have the prompt engineer, a job that's emerging as one of the most creative roles in AI. This role focuses on designing the perfect prompts to guide AI systems in generating the desired outcomes. What you'll do, craft highly specific prompts to optimize AI-generated responses. Troubleshoot when AI systems don't deliver the desired results, refining prompts to improve accuracy. Work closely with developers, researchers, and clients to ensure the AI is functioning as intended. Train teams on how to effectively use AI tools for different tasks. Why it's important. Prompt engineers help unlock the full potential of AI tools, making them more useful and reliable for businesses and individuals. Here's the deal. AI is reshaping industries, and companies are desperate for skilled professionals who can make it work. No coding required. In 2025, roles like these will only grow in demand, with salaries and opportunities to match. Whether you're a creative, a strategist, or an organizer, there's a place for you in the AI revolution. The key is to start now. Learn the basics of AI tools, build transferable skills, and position yourself as someone who can bridge the gap between technology and people. All right, y'all. Which of these AI jobs got you the most excited? Drop a comment below. I'd love to hear your thoughts. If you're ready to dive into one of the fastest growing industries and set yourself up for success, hit that like button, subscribe, and share this video with someone who needs to hear it. AI is here, the opportunities are endless, and the bag is waiting. Stay smart, stay curious, and always secure the bag. Let's make 2025 your breakthrough year.